We all know and love twice-baked potatoes. I love twice-baked potatoes, but then I thought, why don't we ever do a breakfast version of twice-baked potatoes? So that's exactly what we're doing today. And I'm starting with 2 baked potatoes. Do these by whatever means possible in your oven, or this was actually a quick microwave version. And then I want to cut them in half because we're going to scoop out the middle. The middle I will not waste. I will make some really good sauteed potatoes or some such thing with this. So I'm just scooping out the interior to give myself a little well for all the goodies that go inside. Okay, I got these pretty well scooped out. Then I have a baking sheet that I'm going to place these on. And if you have trouble getting them to stand up straight, something like a taco holder or anything that can help keep them in place will be helpful to you. So I'm going to just use a taco holder for a couple of these, and the other ones I'm going to see if they'll stand up just okay on their end as long as I put them side by side. I think they'll be fine. And then I'm going to drizzle in just a little bit of olive oil because we're going to nest some eggs in here, which I think are going to be really, really good. And these are kind of small baked potatoes. I didn't want huge ones, so they're pretty small. So 1 egg per is probably going to be exactly what I need, and I'm carefully going to crack an egg inside of each one of these. And if some of the white runs over, that's okay. It's all coming together really nicely, and it's going to taste delicious. Okay, so I've got them filled with the egg, and then I need to salt and pepper because eggs need salt and pepper. I think to salt and pepper the interior of the potato is a good idea too. That way you're layering the flavor as you go along. So those are done. And then I thought I would chop up a little bit of chili because I want to have some nice heat here. And not a whole lot, but just a little. I like a little spice with my eggs. So some of that. Ooh, those look pretty already. There you. Try to evenly disperse them so that one guy doesn't get all the pepper. And then a little bit of scallion. Right, then we need cheese. For these to be twice baked potatoes, I think cheese is a must. So this is manchego. Use whatever cheese you want. Good old cheddar would be awesome. But a little manchego. I've got my oven set to 425, and we're gonna put these in there until the egg is completely cooked and the cheese is melty. Once these potatoes are out of the oven, I doctor them up with a little bit of bacon, some scallion, some jalapeno, and a drizzle of sriracha. I love that this one has a runny yolk, which is ideal. So good.